Welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of getting chopped up in the market and want a clean, high-probability way to enter trades with massive reward to risk, you're going to love this. Today I'm breaking down my favorite strategy, the Timeframe Confluence Strategy, the exact method I use to find institutional-grade setups with laser-precise entries and a minimum 1-3 risk to reward. Let me show you exactly how it works, step by step. Step 1. We start on the daily time frame. This is where we identify our point of interest earned or POI. This can be a strong order block, a fair value gap, a previous day high or low, or a major supply-demand zone. We mark these levels with precision because higher timeframes control the overall market bias. Once we have our POI on the daily chart, we drop down to the 4-hour time frame. Here's the magic. The exact same point of interest we marked on daily must also be respected on the 4H chart. If price is reacting to that level on 4H, respecting it as support or resistance, we now have confluence across 2 time frames. This is what separates amateur traders from consistent winners. We only trade when multiple time frames agree. Now we drop down to the 1-hour time frame. This is where we hunt for our actual entry. On the 1H chart, we wait for confirmation before we touch the buy or sell button. We are specifically looking for a trendline break or a pattern break, what smart money traders call a break of structure, BOS, or change of character, chalk. When price breaks that trend line, or pattern with strong momentum and retests it as new support or resistance, that's our trigger. We place our entry right at the break or on the retest. Stop loss goes just beyond the POI on the higher time frame, usually 10-20 pips away depending on the pair. Our take profit is set for a minimum 1.3 risk to reward. That means for every $100 I risk, I'm targeting at least $300 profit. I never stretch beyond 1.3 on this strategy. We take the money and move on to the next high probability setup. Let me be very clear. This strategy works because we are trading with the higher time frame direction, not against it. The daily and 4-hour give us the direction and the zone. The 1-hour gives us the precise timing and confirmation. That's true confluence. Most retail traders are gambling on 5-minute or 15-minute charts with no higher time frame context. That's why they lose.